Across Fresno County, education makes an impact. Learning inspires students, dedicated teachers ensure success, and these stories strengthen our communities. Watch Education Matters, Mondays at 6:30 on KC24. Local news that matters. Brought to you by EECU, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University.
Math. It is that one subject many students will tell you is not their favorite. They'll say they're just not good at it. The state is working to change that, starting at a very early age through an initiative called Count, Play, Explore, and it's being led by the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools.
And the true purpose of Count, Play, Explore is to ignite a love of learning, of math, science, and computer science for children birth to third grade.
For the past 10 years, the county office has been at work to not only change attitudes about math, but give teachers like Malik Elementary Sherry Noble the tools to make it fun.
Well, it gives us ideas on how to create different games, how to create different activities, to teach kids in a fun way.
You have 8 and she has 8. Is that the same?
The county office has worked to build the program out into the community, developing partnerships, working with families and caregivers.
It's at its heart about teaching our children through family engagement and our partners and frankly the community as a whole how to do early math.
For its effort, the California School Boards Association has honored the program with the Golden Bell Award.
It's very prestigious, and what it means for us is that we're continuing a legacy of extraordinary programs that are recognized by the state as exemplary.
Dr. Cantwell-Copher says over the past decade, the state has invested $90 million to help Fresno County execute the program. Those who help run Count, Play, Explore say the way to expand the initiative across the state is by providing the training for those who support teachers and families.
We believe that working with our parents as partners is one of the most important ways to do that because we honor that a parent is a child's first teacher, and it's fun.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.